Welcome to this lesson on parasitism, one of the most fascinating biological interactions in nature. Parasitism is a relationship where one organism benefits while the other is harmed. This is a crucial concept in ecology that helps us understand how different species interact in ecosystems around the world. Parasitism is a biological interaction where one organism, called the parasite, benefits at the expense of another organism, called the host. The key characteristic of parasitism is that it harms the host without immediately killing it. This is because the parasite depends on the host for survival and resources. If the host dies too quickly, the parasite loses its source of food and shelter. In every parasitic relationship, there are two key players. First, the parasite, which is the organism that benefits from the relationship. The parasite obtains nutrients, shelter, and sometimes even transportation from the host. Second, the host, which is the organism that is harmed. The host loses valuable resources like nutrients and energy, and its overall health declines due to the presence of the parasite. Parasites are classified into two main types based on where they live on or in their host. Endoparasites are parasites that live inside the host's body. They can be found in various organs like the intestines, liver, blood, or other internal tissues. Ectoparasites, on the other hand, live on the external surface of the host's body. They attach to the skin, fur, or feathers and feed from the outside. Let's look at some common examples of endoparasites. Tapeworms live in the intestines of their hosts and absorb nutrients directly from the digested food passing through. Plasmodium is a microscopic parasite that infects blood cells and causes the disease malaria in humans. Roundworms infect the digestive system and sometimes other organs, causing various health problems. Liver flukes are parasites that specifically inhabit the liver and bile ducts of their hosts. Now let's explore some examples of ectoparasites. Mosquitoes are temporary ectoparasites that feed on blood and can transmit serious diseases like malaria and dengue fever. Ticks attach firmly to the skin of their hosts and consume blood over several days. Lice are tiny insects that live on the scalp or body of their host, feeding on blood and causing itching and discomfort. Mites are microscopic parasites that burrow into the skin, causing irritation and conditions like scabies. Parasitism has several negative effects on the host organism. First, it weakens the immune system and reduces overall health, making the host more vulnerable to other diseases. Second, parasites consume or divert nutrients meant for the host, reducing available energy for growth and daily activities. Third, many parasites act as vectors, transmitting additional diseases and infections to their hosts. Finally, the stress and resource drain caused by parasites often decreases the host's reproductive success, affecting its ability to produce healthy offspring. Let's recap the main points about parasitism. In parasitic relationships, parasites benefit while hosts suffer harm. Parasites can be internal, living inside the body, or external, living on the surface. Parasitism is a common interaction found in all ecosystems worldwide, from tropical rainforests to Arctic tundras. Unlike predation, where the prey is killed quickly, in parasitism, the host usually survives for extended periods, allowing the parasite to continue benefiting from the relationship. Understanding parasitism helps us appreciate the complex web of interactions that shape life on Earth.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.